Hi there, we're at the beautiful Hooker Showroom in High Point. I'm here with Catherine Beamer, Director of Merchandising. Hi, Catherine.
Hi, how are you?
Thanks so much for having me. I am so excited about this new show house concept.
Yeah, so we're really excited. It's really a place to showcase how Hooker really is that one-stop shop. So we have outdoor, we have indoor, we have dining, bedroom, occasional accents, you name it, we have it. We do have a theme here and it's all about collected living and really just getting into that environment.
And I love here how you're mixing old with new, so let's take a look at what you guys did.
Let's do it.
So Catherine, tell me a little bit about this space.
This space is the entry of the home. We really wanted it to feel like a place that you could come in, feel invited. You're going to see a lot of different mix of materials. We have some stone, some great burl pieces in the back. So just a fun place to get this started and show everyone what it's about.
And it's all about color here, color and pattern I'm seeing.
Color and pattern, but grounded in great furniture that just brings so much warmth to the space.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, so this is that burl piece I mentioned. We're calling it burly, just great statement front, and then the beautiful walnut finish on the outside. So now we're in the second room. This is all about living. The living room, we have a small little desk in the corner as well. This place is all about getting comfortable, getting into the comfortable sofa, and then also great mixes of materials.
I love the travertine.
Yeah, the travertine's great. We feel like anytime you can bring in just another element, it adds a little bit of fun to the space.
So tell me about this area.
It's the dining room, but we've really wanted this area to be a lived-in dining room, not a place where someone's just coming once or twice a year. You're gonna see books scattered throughout. Maybe it's a homework station, maybe it's a great place for meeting or being with family.
And I love how you're working here as well. Look at this desk.
I know, it's beautiful. The desk just has great details. We're using something called cluster oak on this, which is a little bit unique and different, but really just melts into the space and makes an awesome environment. Now we're entering the primary bedroom. It's just a really great space. You're gonna feel like it's lived in, a fun, fresh environment, traditional elements mixed with some fun and funky pieces.
Talk to me a little about the collection here. You have old pieces, you have new pieces, right?
Old pieces, new pieces, things that weren't intended to go together but really do. So we have a bed that was introduced about 2 markets ago, and then we have some great pieces that are honestly like 5 to 10 years old. We wanted it to feel like someone lived here. You could move in tomorrow if you wanted to. It really comes down to the details.
So here we are in the final space, right? And I love the color here. Tell me a little bit about this. A lot of fun.
Yeah, final space, maybe my favorite in the whole room. It just feels so lived in, like the twin beds in the back, just a great touch, little mismatch to showcase how, we're adding in those little details and elements. Great game table here, paired with some game table chairs. So it really showcases how a piece that was introduced last market can pair back with something that's already existing. And one thing I didn't mention that's really critical to this is our mix of domestic and import upholstery. We have great frames that can really go in so many different rooms and environments, and you're seeing that here through the show house.
Well, thank you so much, Catherine. This is such a special experience, and I so appreciate you walking me through. You really transformed the Hooker Showroom with this show house, and I can't wait for others to see it.
Yeah, I'm excited. It's a great place to come and see how Hooker really is that one-stop shop.